So it is late in the evening. We are walking down the pier, and me and my son. So this is our time. And you know, as I'm walking down this pier, it made me think about a song, Rolling in the Deep. And, you know, and looking at the boats, and they out there in the deep. And because sometimes you got to go in the deep. You know, we get scared of going in the deep because we're afraid to drown, right? And there's no lifeline. We get really, really afraid. But you know what? You have to roll in the deep sometimes. You have to get deep in your word. Sometimes you have to get deep in your faith. You have to get deep in the dirt. See, listen, a seed can't grow on top, okay? There are some you can just throw on top and it'll catch root. But for the most part, you have to go deep into the soil. And when you deep in the soil, baby, you getting all the nutrients, the water, all that you need. And when it's time to bloom, baby, you gonna sprout from up out the deep like never before. Just beautiful, just fruitful. You hear me? And then that seed produces more seed. See, let me tell you, when you going in the deep, you just ain't going in there for yourself. That seed is for somebody else too. And then they go off into the deep, and then they produce some seeds. So that's what I'm saying. It's time to roll in the deep, you guys. You hear me? Rolling in the deep. I don't mind getting in the deep, because sometimes we got to go deep with that thing, all right? I know I keep saying deep, but we got to go deep in that thing, all right? Be that seed. Go deep so you can get ready and blossom to something great and wonderful. Okay, you guys, that's all for today. I love you. Bye.